Actually, one reason I believe that it is due to increase of 10% on the whatever we were charging. Previously, we used to charge them 30%. Now we charge 40% of the total value of monthly pass, ticket amount. So that may be one of the reasons. Secondly, we have also received some application from the pass holder that their transfers are taken place in the from the traveling point to their native point. So they want to cancel the pass membership. So I think this may be the two reasons, and we are also doing study over that why there is a decrease in the. We issued around. Actually, our registration is around 40,000, but that goes on changing because students, when he completed his study, his registration is cancelled. But our average passes were around 26,000 per month, which has now come down to 22,800 per month. New generation, there is no effect on the receipt because there is 10% increase in the pass amount. It is raised from 30% to 40%. So there is no impact on the revenue. But the pass holders, we found that that will be only one reason. But we are also studying this thing because we have the phone numbers. We are daily we are contacting the pass holders who have not renewed their pass. Also, we have told our checking staff to check passes on the buses. Suppose if somebody is not renewing the pass, that checkup is also going on practically. But I believe that there are no such cases reported by the checking staff. So I believe that this will be the reason.
So another reason,
because we found that when the notification for increase in there is this reduction in the